What the deep V what? That was crazy. Hey everyone, Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. I always like to stress the V.
You always love
Well,
to
it's
stress.
really easy to just
You
lean
really
into
do love
that
to stress.
V, you know? Listen. That was so good. Listen.
Oh, I just got an ab workout with that one.
Well, I need to because my V is not that strong from all the wine.
Okay.
That's all I'm saying. So,
I do love a good V on a guy. There's a great look for them when they are shirtless. But
lean into that V. Is that your motto?
no, you're the one who said it.
Listen, I was just...
So it's obviously
I know.
your motto.
Listen, I was just like picking up on your energy. Hey, we are here. We are Vocal Lab Collective.
Yes, that is who we are.
And we are crazy.
And we're here to react to...
Da-da-da-da-da. We've had a lot. That's even better. We listen to what you say.
Always do.
We read your comments.
Because you subscribe.
Even the bad ones, we don't care.
We don't get bad ones.
Well, we get a few here and there. But we do listen. We make notes. And today we're reacting to a couple people that we've had a lot of requests for. And I'm kind of excited to check them out.
Yeah, me too.
And we've kind of locked up here. So maybe we need Carlos to help us. Let's see.
Does Carlos get to step in?
Carlos, show your face. That's your finger. Oh.
What?
What does your computer do? Is it just a touch tone unlock? So Carlos, our dear friend and producer of all these things,
Jack of all trades.
He's really tech savvy.
That he is.
And he loves anything technical, you know? No, I'm serious. You love a deep V. He likes a good, he likes a new, like...
What does he like?
Just anything new and technical. I don't know. Show him a new iPhone, he'll get off on that. But
Jason.
All that to say,
oh my gosh, Jason,
we could not do this without him.
Cheers! Just have one more
cheers. We could not do this without him.
We could not do this without him. Not at all.
And how the heck does his finger recognize his fingerprint? Mine
because his finger.
Look,
fingerprints on his finger, so that's how his finger recognizes it.
Totally, I have a 1932 version of an iMac. His is brand new. What'd you say? Did I not listen?
I said that you are so handsome and we should all aspire to be you.
Oh, well, thank you.
You're welcome.
That was so
Keep
nice
drinking.
of you.
Thanks.
So today we've listened to you and we're going to react to a couple people.
Yes.
Who are Sam. Say it.
No, you were going to say it.
You told me to. Sam Mangubat.
Yes.
I think. Correct us again if we're wrong. These.
I know. I'm worse with names.
The names we're not so familiar with because they're from countries we're not from.
Right.
We could easily butcher them, and if we do, we apologize up front.
Yes.
So Sam and Katrina Velarde.
Yes.
We've had lots of requests. So let's jump in. I turn to you is their duet. I'm excited to hear them both.
Me too.
And let's see what we got.
Oh, they're young. They're so cute.
Pretty.
Beautiful.
Oh, that texture. Oh my God, I'm a fan of him already.
Already.
I hate to. A lot of people get mad because we stop sometimes so soon.
I'm kind of mad at you, but I understand.
Oh my gosh, he's good.
He's really good.
His articulation, how he did that was so smooth and so good. His mouth opening is to be noted.
Totally, because singers, y'all don't open your
mouth.
Oh my gosh.
That's what we do. Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Ah! Ah! Here we go. Nice little riff.
Down, you're there, pushing me to the top. You always there, giving me all you've got.
So smooth, dude. Come on.
From the storm,
Ooh, richness.
For a love to keep me safe and warm.
I wasn't expecting that.
Y'all, sorry to stop again.
Now you stop.
I love when girls get in
Yeah,
that rich,
get down.
deep
Say it when they
texture.
get down.
Love when you get down. You know what I'm saying? So
Oh,
good.
yes.
Oh, they're beautiful.
I wasn't
together.
expecting that.
I turn to you.
I thought it was going to be the opposite.
Yeah, same.
To be strong for the will to carry on.
Come on, boy.
Everything you do, for everything that's true, I turn to you.
I love this song too, though.
It's such a good song.
When I lose the will to win,
They're so
I just
pretty.
reach for you and I can reach the sky again.
Oh, girl.
And everything, 'cause your love is so amazing.
That was not easy.
Your love inspires me.
You inspire me.
And when I need a friend,
Katrina.
you're always on my
Karina.
side. Giving me faith to get me through the night.
Oh, she got range. They make it so easy, don't they?
They make it so easy. That is warm.
Whoa! Yeah! Come on with that. You sure that did? Oh my god! Yes!
She got depth.
Oh my god, so much in there.
Holy cow.
What the deep V what? That was crazy.
Okay, first of all, obviously, this is an incredible song that's been
Yes.
around for a very long time.
Yeah.
And they're young, right? They're really young. They completely just made it their own. And they were literally, it's like, here's the track, and they just let their voice dance all up over it.
All around it. And that's a really excellent point because all too often singers, we see it all the time.
Yeah.
And they try to overdo the song.
Yeah.
Like the runs are just, they're
Right,
everywhere and
right.
it's a show
No,
off.
it's very tasteful.
Nothing about that showed off.
No.
That made me want more.
And that's hard. I mean, they're literally
Oh
doing
my gosh.
this and this and this, which is
No,
why I was just freaking out. We both hit my leg.
That we did. That was so well done. So technically difficult.
Yeah,
But
we should
also
dig-
on top of that, just their vocal tones are
Stop. He is so clean and crisp.
God.
Like, so clean and crisp.
and just pretty.
Yeah. And then she comes in and she's like, I'm going to lay the foundation on
Yes.
this, right?
Totally. But then
Like-
she went on top of the roof too.
Right.
And
But she still had that thick tone up there. And
Yeah.
that's a tricky thing
It's-
to have that heavy, that fuller tone at the top.
it's tricky and rare.
Very.
And I thought they were going to be opposites.
Yeah, same.
When I
Well, you
s-
naturally do.
Yeah, right? So that even made it more powerful.
Yeah.
I mean, these two are fantastic.
Wow.
I
Good
can't.
suggestion.
Yeah, I can't wait to watch more of them and react to more.
Yeah.
Also, a part of me just sits here like, when does pop frickin' music
In our country?
go back to this?
Oh my gosh.
The Filipino singers are so
They're
fantastic.
so fantastic.
But
they're tasteful.
Yes.
They suck you in like crazy.
But American pop and British pop and German pop, Swedish pop, the main dominant pop modes of the world. And we even throw in K-pop because it's now a dominant force too.
Right.
It's just not here right now. It'll come
It's
back.
not.
It's going to
It's
come
not.
back. But that was awesome.
That was incredible. Especially, I'm sorry, but especially in the U.S. Like, we don't level up to what's overseas at times either when it comes to pop music.
We're
A
done.
lot. Like, a lot.
Yeah,
It's
totally.
amazing. Y'all, that was an incredible suggestion.
That was so good.
Wow.
I have nothing else to say other than that's great. Can't wait
Well,
to see more.
Can't wait to see more. Make sure you subscribe.
Yes.
Send this to your friends
Hit
so they
that
can watch
link,
us
hit
drink
that
and
link.
subscribe. Comment more videos that you guys want us to react to because we listen to y'all.
We do.
We are here because of you guys.
That's right. What was the takeaway from today's reaction for you?
The takeaway?
Yeah, like what'd you take away most of all? What'd you learn?
Well, I learned that making it your own is what's going to set you apart.
Ooh, that's good.
Thank you.
Cheers to that.
What's your takeaway?
I learned that Katie loves a deep V.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And I'm Jason Catron. Until next time,
We're
Vocal Lab Collective.
Collective.